Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. So there's always two parts of a home in my area that are just filthy. And by filthy, I mean mold and algae. One is the outdoor shower, so common in our area. It's usually a little enclosure which gets no airflow. It's always wet. Mold and algae just thrives in there. The other area is what I'm standing under right now, which is the underside of a balcony porch. There is a walkout basement right here, so I imagine people come and go here regularly. But similarly to the outdoor shower, there's no great airflow down here. There's certainly no sunlight. Mold and algae just thrives on both the underside of the deck boards, the joists, the columns. It's a mess. So what am I going to do to address this? No, I'm not going to just blast it with a power washer. That would make it look better, but it will also inadvertently drive some of this organic growth into the fibers of the wood, where it's going to rear its ugly head and be a true nightmare cleanup in a few months after that. I'm not going to spray it with chlorine bleach. That's going to just make it brighter and make people think that it's clean, but it's not going to clean this fibrous, porous material. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this all down with hydrogen peroxide. It's going to foam up. The peroxide is going to oxidize the organic growth, foam up and kind of lift it from the surfaces that it's on, so I can rinse it away with far lower pressure than I would otherwise need to. The other nice thing about hydrogen peroxide in this application is this is going to be raining down on me. So I am going to wear up my hat so that the peroxide doesn't risk turning my hair white, which has happened. Everyone thought I was in a boy band, but it's going to be harmless to me. I got my goggles and all that, but it's a very safe product to work around or work under. So that's how I'm going to do this. Now, on this type of job, I do have to clean both sides, top and bottom. I'm going to do the bottom first because as I'm rinsing, stuff is going to splatter up through the gaps and end up on the top side of the deck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the bottom first, then I'm going to go upstairs and clean the top side of the deck, and it'll all just rinse back down. It's a messy job, but that's how it goes. Let's do it. Now, check this out. You see, that's foaming up because I applied it there. I haven't applied it here yet. You can see the difference. I do have to clean both sides, top and bottom. All right, now back downstairs where I'm going to rinse this stuff off because there's all sorts of gunk dripping down from the deck that I cleaned above. I'm going to rinse this and be done.